Hello students, welcome to the sixth video of a 3D class or second video of a plane class. Before starting, first we start Brahmanath. Om. शांति शांति शांति. So today we are going to discuss equation of the plane in the intercept form, equation of the plane in perpendicular form, normal form, and what is the angle between two planes. Last class we are already discussed what is the equation of the plane in the vector form and Cartesian form, and equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Okay, so what is the equation of the plane? Vector equation of the plane passing through a point whose position vector is a vector and perpendicular to n vector. This is equation of the plane is r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0. That is also r vector dot n vector equal to a vector dot n vector. And the Cartesian equation of the plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Where ABC is the direction ratio of normal to the plane and x1, y1, z1 be the given point. Okay. Then general equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, where the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z, that is ABC, represent direction ratio of normal to the plane. So every first degree equation contains 3 variables represent equation of the plane. Okay, in equation of the plane, if the constant term is 0, that the plane must be passes through the origin. Then equation of the plane passing through 3 points, its normal, its vector form is r vector minus a vector dot b vector minus a vector cross c vector minus a vector equal to 0. That is AP vector dot AB vector cross AC vector is equal to 0. This is the vector equation of the plane passing through 3 points capital A, B, C, whose position vector A vector, B vector and C vector. And its Cartesian form is, suppose the coordinate of A is x1, y1, z1 and the coordinate of B is x2, y2, z2 and the coordinate of C x3, y3, z3. That means equation of the plane passing through 3 points whose coordinates x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. This lies in the first row. In second row, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and in third row, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, the determinant is equal to 0. If we expand this third order determinant, then we get equation of the plane. Also we discussed 4 points are coplanar, means the determinant of x4th minus x1, y4th minus y1, z4th minus z1. In second row, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and third row x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, the determinant is equal to 0. If its determinant is 0, then the 4 points are coplanar. Or you can verify also, first you have to find the equation of the plane by taking any 3 points. Then 4 number point satisfied the given equation of the plane or not. If it is satisfied, then the 4 points are coplanar. If it is not satisfied, then the 4 points are not coplanar. तेणु 4टा पॉइंट देथियो कोप्लानर टेस्ट करो माने तुम जेकोसी 3टा पॉइंट नहीं प्रथम प्लेन इक्वेशन बाहर करियो प्लेन इक्वेशन बाहर कला फोर्थ नंबर पॉइंटा प्लेन इक्वेशन पकईब पकईला जदि साटिस्फाई होची इक्वेशन LHS इज इक्वल RHS होची सो द 4 पॉइंट्स आर कोप्लानर और अदरवाइज तुम डिटरमिनेट टेस्ट कले भी हम डायरेक्ट डिटरमिनेट नब 4 नंबर पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट सेकेंड नंबर पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट थर्ड नंबर पॉइंट माइनस फर्स्ट पॉइंट डिटरमिनेंट जदि 0 होची देन कोप्लानर ओके नाउ वी डिस्कस टुडे some problems of coplanarity then we go to another concept that is the intersect form and normal form okay so that 4 points are coplanar one question so that 4 points 1 2 3 -1 1 0 2 1 3 1 1 2 are coplanar and also find equation of a plane containing these points containing these points okay so here we prove coplanar and also find the equation of the plane so it will be better first we find the equation of the plane then we verify these 4 points are coplanar or not coplanar. So by taking any 3 points, first of all we have to find the equation of the plane. Okay, answer. x1, y1, z1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. x2, y2, z2. x2, y2, z2 equal to -1, 1, 0. x3 y3 z3 is equal to 2 1 3 and x4th y4th z4th x4th y4th z4th equal to 1 1 2 okay first to find the equation of the plane equation of plane is x minus x1 we know this is the equation of the plane in determinate form y minus y1 z minus z1 if we ask equation of the plane in a vector form then we find in a vector form otherwise we find the equation of the plane in a Cartesian form okay then y minus y2 minus y1 sorry second point minus first this is the x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 is equal to 0 substitute these values that implies in first row we write any point to the first point its direction ratio तो फर्स्ट रो रे आमे एनी पॉइंट रो फर्स्ट पॉइंट माइनस करा हबो तो दिस इज इक्वल टू x minus 1 y minus 2 and this is equal to z minus 3 in the second row we write second number point minus first point okay that is the -1 here this is the first point and this is the second point x2 minus x1 means second point minus first point -1 -2 तुम डायरेक्ट पकेबो 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 3 minus 3 okay then third number point minus first point third number point minus first point कर दियो 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 3 0 So this is equal to 0 because we find the equation of the plane. Then again we check this one, x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3. Then second number minus first point. So this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 0 minus 3, minus 3. Then third number point minus first point. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1, and 3 minus 3, 0. Then expand this one. Here this is a plus, this is a minus, and this is a plus. So x minus 1 into x minus 1 into this is equal to, okay, minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0, 0 minus 3, minus 1 into 0, 0, here minus 3, minus of y minus 2 into first 2 and the second column leave it, minus 2 into 0, 0 plus 3 plus z minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1, this is 2 plus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, 2, here minus 1 and plus 1, this means plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to minus 3x plus 3, it has minus 3y plus 6, minus 3y plus 6, then plus 3z minus 9, because 2 plus 1, 3, 3z minus 9 is equal to 0. That implies minus 3x minus 3y plus 3z. Okay, here 3 plus 6, 9, 3 plus 6, 9, minus 9, this is 0. That implies taking minus as a common, so this is x plus y, minus 3 common, x minus y minus z is equal to 0. Okay, so this is x minus y, x plus y minus z is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the plane containing these points. Next we verify these points are coplanar. These 4 points are coplanar. So here we find the equation of the plane using these 3 points, first point, second point, third point. Next we verify the 4 number point is satisfied the given equation or not satisfied. If it is satisfied, then they are coplanar. Okay. Now we test the 4 number point. So next we verify for coplanarity. Next we verify for coplanar. Okay, that is x plus y minus z is equal to, we substitute the 4 number point in the given equation, in the LHS part of the given equation. Here 4 number point is what, 1 1 2, so this is 1 plus 1, substitute the value of x coordinate in place of x, the y coordinate in place of y, and z coordinate in place of z. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 2, so this is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so the 4 number point is satisfied the equation of the plane, since 1 1 2 satisfied the equation of the plane, therefore 4 points are coplanar. 4 points are coplanar. Okay, so if we ask only these 4 points are coplanar, means first you have to take the determinant part. This is x fourth minus x1, y fourth minus y1, z fourth minus z1. Then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, and its value find out. जदि डायरेक्ट जदि कही था 4टा पॉइंट कोप्लानर कही था बोले आम डायरेक्ट डिटरमिनेंट कनसीडर करते आईट 3टा पॉइंट दे प्लेन इक्वेशन बाहर करी 4 नंबर पॉइंटा टेस्ट वेरीफाई करिया कि आवश्यक ना, तुम डायरेक्ट से डिटरमिनेंट नब जदि वैल्यूटा 0 होची दे आर कोप्लानर. ओके, नेक्स्ट we do another concept, that is the intercept form of the plane. The intercept form of equation of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, where a, b, c are intercept the coordinate axis. That is, x intercept is a and y intercept is b, z intercept is c. Okay. The intercept form of equation of a plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, where where a is x intercept, b is y intercept, and c is z intercept, and c is z intercept. So how to prove this one? Now we prove this one. Here this is the coordinate axis, the plane intercepted to the coordinate axis. This one is x axis, and this one is y axis, and this is z axis, and this is origin. Suppose the plane intercept to the x axis at a capital A and intercept to the y axis at a capital B, and intercept z axis at a capital C, such that the x intercept is A, that is a small OA is A, and the y intercept is B, and z intercept is C. So clearly the x intercept is A means the coordinate of A, the coordinate of x intercept of the plane is a0, 0, because A lies on x axis and its coordinate must be a0, 0, and the coordinate of B 0, B 0, because y intercept is B and z intercept is C, that's why the coordinate of C is 0, 0, C. Okay, do you understand? Now to find the equation of the plane. Okay, let capital A, B and C are the intercept to the coordinate axis, to the coordinate axis, where OA is equal to A, x intercept, OB equal to B, and OC is equal to C. So the coordinate of A, A0, 0, coordinate of B 0, B 0, and the coordinate of C 0, 0, C. Okay, 0, 0, C. So clearly this point A, B, C lies on the plane, and you know equation of the plane passing through these 3 points using the formula in terms of determinate. So equation of plane passing through A of A0, 0, B of 0, B 0, and C of 0, 0, C is x minus x1. Let it be considered this is x1, y1, z1, and this is x2, y2, z2, and this is x3, y3, z3. So x minus a, y minus y1, y minus 0, z minus z1, this is z, then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, तो 0 minus a, b minus 0, b, 0 minus 0, 0. Then x3 minus x1, 0 minus a, y3 minus y1, 0, and z3 minus z1, c minus 0. This is equal to c. Determinant is equal to 0. Now expand. So this is equal to plus minus plus. That implies x minus a into bc minus 0 minus y into first to second column, leave it, minus a into c minus ac plus 0 plus z into here 0 plus ab. 0 plus ab is equal to 0. Okay. Then expand x minus a into bc, that is xbc, that is xbc minus abc then plus yac plus zab is equal to 0. That implies xbc plus yac plus zab is equal to abc. Now divide abc. So if we divide abc, xbc by abc, so this is x by a, so xbc by abc plus yac by abc plus zab by abc is equal to abc by abc. Okay. So bc cancel, ac cancel, ab cancel, abc cancel. That is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, and this is known as intercept form of the equation of the plane. Okay. So what is the equation of the plane in intercept form? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. ତେଣୁ x ତଳେ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି that is called x intercept, y ତଳେ ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଲା y intercept, and z denominator part ଅଛି ଆମର z intercept. Okay. Next, what will be normal form of the equation of the plane? Normal. So in the intercept form, if x intercept, y intercept and z intercept is given, so what will be equation of the plane? You apply directly intercept form to get equation of the plane. Next, normal form. Normal form, the vector equation of the plane in normal form is r vector dot n cap is equal to p, where n cap is a unit vector represented direction of normal, and p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay. The vector form of equation of the plane, equation of a plane in normal form is r vector dot n cap is equal to p, where n cap be the unit vector which represent direction of perpendicular or normal, direction of normal means perpendicular, and p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, from origin to the plane. Okay, here P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, and n cap is the unit vector which represents direction of normal or direction of perpendicular. So how can you the equation of the normal form vector form is this one? Now we prove this one proof. So why the equation of the plane in normal form is this one? So clearly this is a plane, this is a plane, and this is the origin. Okay, first we draw the perpendicular line from origin to the plane. Then origin to plane ऊपर को पूरे perpendicular draw करो, perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Here capital N is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. What is N? N is the foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane. जतलो origin to plane ऊपर को हमें पूरे perpendicular line डी draw कले. N डा होची से perpendicular रो foot रो coordinate टा. Origin to a perpendicular रो distance टा देची P. So this is equal to P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay, and its direction is n cap. Its direction is n cap. So what is n cap? N cap is the unit vector which represents direction of the perpendicular. So how to find its equation of the plane? Take capital P. This is the small p, perpendicular distance is the small p. Here capital P be the any point on the plane. For equation of the plane, we take any point on the plane, and its position vector is r vector. Okay, so this is the r vector. Let capital N be the foot of perpendicular from origin to the plane, and its perpendicular distance ON distance is equal to small p. Okay, but what is since n cap be the direction of ON, be the direction of ON, so ON vector is equal to P into n cap, because P is the distance, is the okay perpendicular distance, and n cap be the unit vector. So its magnitude of ON is P, and direction of ON vector is n cap. That means ON vector is equal to P n cap. So the position vector of n, P into n cap. P means small p, P into n cap. Capital P, this is the small p. Capital P be any point on the plane, and its position vector is r vector. Its position vector is r vector, that is OP vector is equal to r vector. Okay, so now we joining this point n to p. So clearly this line vector np lies on the plane. Since ON vector is perpendicular to the plane, that means NP vector perpendicular to ON vector. So NP vector dot ON vector is equal to 0. So clearly NP is perpendicular to ON. That means NP vector dot ON vector is equal to 0. Okay, so what is NP vector? So NP vector means the position vector of P, and the position vector of P is R vector, and the position vector of N is P into N cap. That implies R vector minus P into N cap dot ON vector means dot ON vector means this is equal to Pn cap is equal to 0. Since P is a scalar, so the dot product of two vector is 0, means here P is a scalar, so scalar never be 0. That implies R vector minus P into N cap, R vector minus P into N cap dot N cap is equal to 0 because P not equal to 0. Because P not equal to 0, small p is not equal to 0. Small p माने मु एमदी लेखुछि P, capital P माने एटा point टा capital P टा, but small p टा scalar टा. Okay, what is the difference between capital P and small p? Is it clear? Then that implies R vector dot N cap minus P into N cap dot N cap is equal to 0. That implies R vector dot N cap minus P into N cap magnitude square is equal to 0. N cap magnitude is equal to 1, since this is a unit vector. That implies R vector dot N cap minus P is equal to 0 and R vector dot N cap is equal to P. So clearly this is equal to vector equation of the plane in the normal form. R vector dot N cap is equal to P, where P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane and N cap is the unit vector which represent direction of perpendicular. Okay, now its Cartesian form. Cartesian form, since N cap is the unit vector of the normal, suppose N vector is equal to AI cap plus Bj cap plus Ck cap. What is ABC? So ABC is the direction ratio of normal. And what will be N cap? So N cap is equal to A by root over N cap is equal to N vector by N vector magnitude. N vector by N vector magnitude. So this is equal to AI cap plus Bj cap plus Ck cap by root of A square plus B square plus C square. That is N cap is equal to A by root of A square plus B square plus C square into I cap plus B by root over A square plus B square plus C square into J cap and C by root over A square plus B square plus C square into K cap. And this A by root over A square plus B square plus C square is equal to L, B by root over A square plus B square plus C square is equal to M, and C by root over A square plus B square plus C square is equal to M, L, M, N. That is N cap is equal to Li cap plus Mj cap plus N K cap. This is the unit vector which represent direction of N vector, and R vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. This is the any point. So r vector dot n cap is equal to p. That implies r vector dot n cap means this is its dot product is what? Lx plus my plus nz is equal to small p, which is Cartesian form of the equation of the plane in the normal form. So this is the equation of the plane in Cartesian form of the normal form. What is Lmn? Lmn is the direction cosine of the normal, where Lmn be the direction cosine of perpendicular, direction cosine of perpendicular, and p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. This is the Cartesian form and this is the vector form of the equation of the plane in normal form. Okay, so the vector form is r vector dot n cap is equal to p, and the Cartesian form is Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p, where Lmn is the DCS of perpendicular and p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay, next we take its example. Find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance 7 units from origin and normal to the plane 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap. Okay, so here what are the given? The perpendicular distance from origin to the plane is 7 and normal to the plane is 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap. Since here perpendicular distance is given from origin to the plane, that's why we write the equation of the plane in normal form. And we know the normal form is r vector dot n cap is equal to p. Here p is equal to 7 and this is the normal vector, but normal form means you have to convert to n cap. So n cap means n vector by n vector magnitude. Okay, answer. Here perpendicular distance, that is p is equal to 7 and n vector is equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap. So what is n vector? N cap. So n cap is equal to n vector by n vector magnitude, and this is equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap by root over 9 plus 25 plus 36. Okay, so this is equal to so this is equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap by root over तो 6 plus 9. Okay, so this is equal to 15 plus 5 20. Yes, your 5 here 2 to 7, so root 70. Okay, so this is equal to 3 by root over 70 I cap plus 5 by root 70 j cap minus 6 by root 70 into k cap. So clearly this is equal to vector equation of the plane, vector equation of plane is r vector dot n cap is equal to p, that implies r vector dot 3 by root 70 I cap plus 5 by root 70 j cap minus 6 by root 70 k cap is equal to 7. This is equal to 7 and this is a vector equation of the plane. If we convert into Cartesian form, then you take r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So this will be 3x by root 70 plus 5 by root 70 minus 6z by root 70 is equal to 7. This is the Cartesian form. Okay. So if perpendicular distance is given and the normal vector is given, so in such case you have to find the equation of the plane in the vector form. If we given the 1 point, the position vector of 1 point is given, and a normal vector is given, then in such case you apply the equation of the plane r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equal to 0. Okay. Next, how to transform the general equation of a plane into intersect form and the general equation of the plane into normal form. Okay. Now, transform general equation of plane into different form. That is the conversion of a general equation of the plane into different form. So, how to convert? Transform general equation of a plane into different form. Okay. First number 1, intercept form. You know the intercept form of the equation of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, and the general form is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. तमें general equation of plane to intersect style convert करियो. So what we do? General equation of a plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. That implies ax plus by plus cz is equal to minus d. Since in the intercept form the rightmost side is 1, so here divide minus d, that is a by minus d into x plus b by minus d into y plus c by minus d is equal to c by minus d into z is equal to 1. That implies a by that is ax by minus d by a plus y by minus d by b and z by minus d by c is equal to 1. This is intercept form. This is intercept form of the plane, which is intercept form. Where x-intercept is minus d by a, y-intercept is minus d by b, and z-intercept is minus d by c. Okay. Next, number 2, normal form. You know the normal form is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P, but Lmn is the direction cosine of the normal. So the general equation of the plane is Ax plus By plus Cz plus D is equal to 0, and the right side must be perpendicular distance, since the perpendicular distance never be negative, that is Ax plus By plus Cz is equal to minus D. Okay, then here first to make the right hand side term, right side term is positive, if it is negative, जदि राइट साइड टर्म टा नेगेटिव रोची तमे सेठी पॉजिटिव करू. फर्स्ट टू मेक द राइट साइड टर्म इज पॉजिटिव इफ इट इज नेगेटिव by multiplying minus sign, negative sign on both side है. तो both side रे तमे कौन करियो माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करियो ना नहीं. अच्छा, जदि डी टा पॉजिटिव थिबो, ओके, इफ डी इज पॉजिटिव आफ्टर टेकिंग द कांस्टेंट टर्म ऑन द राइट साइड टर्म, इफ इट इज negative, that means here d is positive. जदि राइट साइड टर्म नेला पर राइट साइड कांस्टेंट टर्मटा राइट साइड नेला पर जदि नेगेटिव रोची से तुम माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करी पॉजिटिव करिया पड़ो आ राइट साइड टर्म नेला पर जदि पॉजिटिव रोची किछि करिया दरकार नाही नेगेटिव थिले पॉजिटिव करियो ओके अच्छा तापर कौन करियो देन डिवाइड रूट ऑफ a square plus b square plus c square on both side then you divide root over a square plus b square plus c square कौन करियो डिवाइड करियो कौन कहली मु फास्ट कांस्टेंट टर्म टा को राइट साइड टर्म नबो राइट साइड टर्म नेला पर जदि एटा नेगेटिव रोची बोले पॉजिटिव करियो माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करी जदि पॉजिटिव रोची किछि करिया दरकार नाही तापर सीधा तुम रूट ओवर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर डिवाइड करियो कहीं ना सेटा एक्चुअली डीसीएस हेबा पड़ियो तो डीसीएस डीआरएस रु डीसीएस करिया पय हमको रूट ओवर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर रे डिवाइड करिया पड़ियो ओके अच्छा तेणु ये आम दीटा केस करी मु करछि केस 1 ने भी देखो केस 1 इफ d इज नेगेटिव d रे जदि नेगेटिव रोची d रे जदि नेगेटिव रोची इफ d लेस देन 0 इफ d लेस देन 0 दैट मीन्स d नेगेटिव એટલે नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव कोन होला पॉजिटिव होइला ना जदि तमर d रे नेगेटिव रोची नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव कोन होची पॉजिटिव होला हला एडी केस रे कोन होची पॉजिटिव होची तापर डिवाइड करले कोन होची a बाय रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर इंटू x प्लस b बाई रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर इंटू y प्लस c बाई रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर इंटू z इज इक्वल टू d बाई माइनस d बाई रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर ये d टा पॉजिटिव होची राइट साइड टर्म ना बर्तमान तमरो पॉजिटिव अछि ओके केस 2 if d is positive okay if d greater than 0 तो d greater than 0 माने तमरो माइनस d टा कोन हबो d टा जदी greater than 0 होला माइनस d टा कोन हबो नेगेटिव हबो तो राइट साइड टर्म जदी नेगेटिव होची माने माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई करियो if d greater than 0 then multiply minus on both side so minus x minus by minus cz is equal to कौन होला d हैला so this is equal to d हैला minus t multiply करले d हैला so here divide करियो divide root of a square plus b square plus c square okay so this will be minus a by root of a square plus b square plus c square into x minus b by root of a square plus b square plus c square into y minus c by root of a square plus b square plus c square into z is equal to d by root of a square plus b square plus c square okay so this is equal to which is of the form lx plus my plus nz is equal to p lx plus my plus nz is equal to p where l is equal to minus a by root over a square plus b square plus c square and m is equal to minus b by this one, n is equal to minus c by, and p is equal to d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. So what represent p? P is a perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance from origin to the plane is d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So here p is equal to b. So p is equal to d by root over a square plus b square plus c square रो मोड because it never be negative. जदि यार भेला माइनस आउसी तो मेडी माइनस तो हेबार चांस नाही काहे तुम राइट साइड टर्मडा सेटा सबले पॉजिटिव करिया पड़ियो. पॉजिटिव कला परे वैल्यूडा हला तमरो सेडी पॉजिटिव रहइबो. सो p is equal to this is equal to p and this is d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. एडा हमें फार्मूला फॉर्म रे कहली इन टर्म्स ऑफ general equation of the plane. You know, in the general equation the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So what will be perpendicular distance from origin to the plane? The perpendicular distance from origin to the plane will be d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. If d is negative, then it should take a modulus value. If d is positive, then the modulus is not required. जदि d रे तुम नेगेटिव थी जनरल इक्वेशन दी प्लेन रे परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस तो माइनस रे भारियो नि ना सेडी मोड पकई पॉजिटिव करियो. ओके, सो d होची सॉरी p इज इक्वल टू d बाय रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर. दिस इज नोन एज perpendicular distance. Remember the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, this one, and this is the normal form. This is the transfer equation of the general equation of the plane into normal form. तेणु नॉर्मल फॉर्म को ट्रांसफर करिया गले प्रथम जनरल इक्वेशन लिखिबो, तापर कांस्टेंट टर्म राइट साइड नब. राइट साइड टर्म नेला परे जदि राइट साइड टर्म नेगेटिव रोची तुम से पॉजिटिव कर माइनस टी मल्टीप्लाई कर पॉजिटिव हेले किछ करिया दरकार नै. तापर कोन करियो रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर डिवाइड करियो. होला डिवाइड करला पर जहा रहिला दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड नॉर्मल फॉर्म ऑफ द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन. दिस इज द ट्रांसफर इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन इन a normal form. Okay, now we see one problem. So write the equation of the plane 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0 in normal form and find its distance from origin. Okay, so first of all we convert into normal form, then we find its distance from origin. Okay, so what we do, first we take the constant term on the right side. Okay, then first you have to take the constant term on the right side. Answer, that is 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 1 is equal to 0. तो 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to minus 1. देखो ये हमें d टा कौन नेले राइट साइड नेले, राइट साइड टर्म नेला परे here it is negative. If the right side term is negative, then to make positive by multiplying minus sign. तो here multiply minus on both side. तो minus 2x plus 3y minus 5z is equal to plus 1. Then divide root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so this is equal to minus 2 root square 4 plus 3 root square 9 plus minus 5 root square 25. So this is equal to here 9 plus 4 13 plus 25. So this is equal to 38. That implies minus 2 by root 38x plus 3 by root 38y minus 5 by root 38z is equal to 1 by root 38. So which is of the form lx plus my plus nz is equal to p, where p is equal to 1 by root 38 and this is known as a perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. So here p is equal to 1 by root 38 and this is perpendicular distance, perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, from origin to the plane. Okay, so in next class we do other concept of plane, that is the angle between two plane. Okay, and what is the condition for two planes are parallel, perpendicular. Okay, one question: a plane meets the coordinate axis at A, B, C respectively. If the centroid of the triangle ABC is minus 1, 2, 5, then find equation of the plane. Okay, so here what are the given? Capital ABC are the coordinate axis at A, B, C with the plane meets the coordinate axis, okay, and the center of the triangle is -1, 2, 5. So what is its equation? Means suppose the x intercept is a, small a, and y intercept is small b, and z intercept is c. That's why we write this one. Since the plane meets coordinate axis at ABC, at capital A, B, C, let OA is equal to A, this is the x intercept, and OB is equal to B, OC is equal to C. So equation of plane, we write its intercept form because plane meets the coordinate axis. So equation of the plane is, what is the equation of the plane? X by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. That is, this is a coordinate axis, and this one is x axis, and this one is y axis, this is equal to z axis. The plane meets the coordinate axis at a capital A, B, and this is C. Suppose OA is equal to A, means this is B and this is C. So coordinate of A is A0, 0, and the coordinate of B 0, B 0, and the coordinate of C is 0, 0, C. Okay. So this is the equation of this is the plane in a triangular shape. And you know what is the centroid of the triangle ABC? Centroid of a triangle ABC is equal to, what is the centroid of the triangle? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. So this is equal to A plus 0 by 3, 0 plus B plus 0 by 3, 0 plus 0 plus C by 3. Okay, so this is equal to A by 3, B by 3, and this is the C by 3. But the given centered, but given centered is equal to -1 to 5. Therefore, A by 3 is equal to -1, B by 3 is equal to 2, and C by 3 is equal to 5. Okay, that implies A is equal to -3, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 15. So putting the value of ABC in the given equation of the plane, in equation, let it be equation 1. Okay, so putting the value of ABC in equation 1, put the value of A, B, C in equation 1, we get x by A means -3, plus y by B plus z by C, C means 15 is equal to 1. Okay, this is the required equation of the plane, where the plane meets to the coordinate axis at a capital ABC, whereas the center of the triangle is -1 to 5. Okay, so in next class we do some other problems and the other concept of the plane. Thank you.